one of the wonderful things about what we do, because we are focused on mission, even in a world as crowded as AI is for talent, you have that advantage of being able to find people who want to work on mission. Really important stuff that matters an awful lot. And a lot of commercial companies can't offer that, right? And so leverage that advantage. There are so many talented people out there that really care about and would love to be aligned with and support mission. So you should play to that strength of opportunity and ultimately what is a talent assembly game. That's number one. Number two, I think things are changing in the way that capabilities are acquired. So certainly the CIO and CTO shops are very important. But at the same time, there is a lot of pull from, the end user, and understanding the mission sets that you're best equipped to serve and really trying to get as close as you can to that end user to understand, what it is they need, so that can inform the way you think about developing your product. You want to be talking to those leadership shops at the CIO and CTO level, but ultimately, this idea of gathering standards exhaustively over long periods of time, picking a technology and driving it down and in, that's changed, dramatically and will continue to. So really getting close to mission so you can have those substantive conversations, and that can be hard. And then I'd say that, the third thing is do your homework on what's necessary to provide capabilities into these organizations, right? So ultimately, if you're working in the Department of War or the IC, you're going to need cleared personnel. If that's where you want to start, I'd bring some people in who have the ability to do that, right? You also now, fortunately, you've got Palantir with the FedStart program, you've got Second Front, so emerging technologies can deploy onto those platforms, which helps for accreditation, right? And then really understanding what it needs to be, to get a facilities clearance. And from an incorporation perspective, recognizing the organizations you want to serve, the potential complexities of foreign ownership and investment and how that can be brought to bear on your ability to operate. I think, knowing that stuff up front helps you navigate it a bit better so you can actually go faster.